So good evening students, let's start our today's class. Today the initial question will be fill in the blanks question. Okay, I'll ask you 50 questions. In this question set you'll have fill in the blanks questions, MCQ questions, and then you have true or false questions. So let us start with the first one. Question number 1 is the dash element will make the text centered. It is a question from HTML. So there is a tag or element called center. Within center opening and closing, if you keep something, it will be at the center of the screen. So the answer is center. Question number 2 is dash refers to forming an online circle of friends. So you all know this. This is social networking. Let us go to the third question. The third question is dash screen mode supports 256 colors. It's a question from QBASIC. And the answer is screen 13. The screen 13 screen mode supports 256 colors. The fourth one is internet dash is an online discussion site. So the answer is internet forum is an online discussion site. Let us move to the fifth one. The fifth question is a dash is a security tool that acts like fence around a computer network. So it is a question from that chapter of cybersecurity and threats. Okay, it is called firewall. Okay, so firewall acts as a fence between two networks. Let us move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is dash is a cyber threat that demands payment. So it is ransomware. Okay, your answer is ransomware. Seventh one, secured connections are identified by the letters dash in the address bar. So if you connect a secure website or type the address of a secure website, you'll find that HTTPS is in front of the web address. So it is HTTPS. HTTPS stands for HTTP secure. It is encrypted. Number 8. Dash is an unwanted email trying to sell a product or service. So you may be getting mails, okay, from advertisers, okay, showing you details about products, different products. Okay, so they are called spams actually. The answer is spam. Let us move to the 9th question. The 9th question is cyberspace means the internet. Internet is also known as cyberspace. The 10th question, dash is the most popular microblogging application. So it is Twitter. The next question is like this, dash is an empty element in HTML. So you could have multiple answers here. Okay, it could be BR for break, HR for horizontal rule. So these are the two empty elements you can write. Okay, either of this can be a correct answer. So I have given break as the answer, BR as the answer. You could write HR also. The next question is question number 12. Dash elements have only opening tag. Remember, the elements that have both opening tag and closing tag are called container tags. So these are called empty elements or empty tags. Question number 13. Dash is a popular IM, that means instant messaging application. So what is the most popular? You are using it. It is WhatsApp. Question number 14. The question number 14 is the instructions in HTML documents are made up of. The answer could be elements. Okay, so it is element actually. So why it is element? Because within the body, if I want to display something, I have to put it within elements. So I have to write different elements for doing different things. Like for heading, we have to write H1. For changing font, we can write font. Okay, for giving horizontal rule, we can write HR like this. So all these are elements. Okay, all elements are collectively displaying the entire web page. Question number 15. I think this is the last fill in the blanks question. The default screen mode in QBASIC is, again it is a question from QBASIC. Our default screen mode is screen 0. Okay, so let us jump to the next question, which is question number 16. Currently a tweet is restricted to dash characters. Earlier it was 140 characters, but now it is 280 characters. Question number 17. The dash element is used to denote the largest level of heading. Okay, so largest heading style is specified by using H1 tag in HTML. Question number 18. The first tag in HTML is dash and the last tag is dash. So every web page or HTML document starts with HTML tag and ends with the off tag of HTML. So it will be HTML, the on tag, and the HTML, the off tag. Okay, so every web page will be within these two tags. Question number 19. And dash hacker does no harm. You can write ethical hacker. Okay, ethical hackers are also known as white hat. Question number 20. The element for inserting an image is IMG. Okay, this particular tag or element is used to insert an image in a web page. So that sums up your fill in the blank section. Now let us go for the multiple choice questions. Question number 21, and it is the first multiple choice question. The number of loops that can be nested within a for next loop are 9. So this is a question from QBASIC. Okay. Next, question number 22. Which loop executes the loop body as long as the condition remains false? The answer should be do until, because it is a negative type of loop. As long as the condition is false, it keeps on repeating the loop body. As and when the condition becomes true, it exits the loop. So it is do until. Question number 23. Which statements allows an action to be performed when a condition is true and another action if the condition is false? So if we write if then else statement, it will be doing that. So the answer is if then else. Question number 24. It is again from QBASIC. Which loop is used when number of cycles is not known beforehand? So it is do loop. So it is an interactive loop. Do loop is an interactive loop. Okay. So do loop should be the answer. Number 25. The number of subroutines that can be included in a program is limited to 5, 6, 9, no limit. So there is no limit. Okay. So the answer is option D, no limit. Question number 26. Which statement is used for unconditional transfer of control? So there is a statement called go to, which is option number 1, using which you can jump from one section of the program to another unconditionally. There is no need for condition. You can just write go to and then a label. Okay. Then you can jump to that particular level. So the answer is go to. The next question is question number 27. Which type of virus affects the .com, .exe files? All these are executable files, and executable files could be infected by file virus. The type of virus that infects executable file, .com stands for command file. It is a small executable file, and .exe stands for executable. So file virus are the viruses that infects or affects the .com or .exe files. Answer should be option A, file virus. Let us jump to the next question, question number 28. Which of these viruses infect the documents? Remember, Microsoft Word documents, there we can use macros. Thus, macro virus infects Office documents, or it can infect an Excel file also, which can also use macros. So macro virus is the answer. Question number 29, the next one. What is unwanted bulk emails called? That means a mail that is sent in bulk for advertisement. It is called spam. So these are called spams. So spams, option 3 is the answer. Question number 30. What does a secure connection use? Secure connection uses firewall, encryption, private network, antivirus. So it should be encryption, because when you write HTTPS, okay, your end-to-end communication is encrypted. Question number 31. Web pages are created using the dash language. It is the simplest of question I have given till now. It is HTML. You all know HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay. So question number 32. What is the question? A program that displays an HTML document as web page is called, or is, here we have Internet Explorer, which is a web browser. A web browser can display a web page. Okay. So other softwares are Notepad, Word, Excel. These are not equipped to display a web page. So the answer will be Internet Explorer. Next question is question number 33. Elements which have only an opening tag and no closing tag are called empty elements. You have got a similar question earlier also. So it is empty element. Next question is question number 34. Which one of the following is not a social networking site? Facebook is a social networking site. LinkedIn is also Instagram. So Gmail is not a social networking site. Question number 35. LinkedIn is a social networking platform meant for Indians, students, professionals, youngsters. So it is professionals. It is made for professionals. You can get information about different types of jobs, skills required, or many more informations. Okay, so it is meant for professionals. Number 36 will be a true or false question. You have to state whether true or false. You can write your answer if you know. Put the number and write it in the comment section. Okay, I'll appreciate it. Facebook is available only on mobile phones. Is it true or false? You can try your answer. I'm waiting. Okay, it is false. Number 37. High Five is one of the oldest social networking websites. So it is true. Let us move to question number 38. Tumblr is a popular microblogging application. Like Twitter, Tumblr is also a popular microblogging application. So it is true. Question number 39. WhatsApp is a popular instant messaging application. So it is true. You all know you are using WhatsApp. Question number 40. Cyberspace means the internet. It is also true. Question number 41. Microviruses infect boot sector. It is totally wrong because in earlier question we have discussed that macroviruses infects office documents. So it is false. Question number 42. Secure connection employs encryption of data. Obviously, if you see HTTPS, your end-to-end communication is encrypted. So it is true. Next question is question number 43. You can use color names in color statement. No, it cannot be used. There are numbers. So it is false. Question number 44. PSET 50,50 will set the starting point of the line at 50,50 for draw statement. So it is a question from QBASIC graphics. Okay, and it is the correct statement. So it will be true. Next question is question number 45. A variable cannot have real number or fraction value. Fractional values or values with decimal point can be stored in real number. So it is saying variable cannot have real number. So it is false. Question number 46. 20 is a valid constant in QBASIC 64. It is correct as because it is a valid string constant. It can store or it can have letters and digits both. So it is true. Next one is question number 47. Player dollar is a valid alphanumeric variable. in QBASIC 64. It is also true because for storing alphanumeric data, that is string, we put a dollar at the end of the variable name. So it is true. Oh, it is written as false, so it should be true. Okay, it is a mistake. So 47, okay, it should be true. If statement cannot function without else statement. If statement cannot function without else statement, it is false. It can work. I can write if, then and if. Question number 49. H1 is the smallest heading style in HTML. HTML has 6 heading styles from H1 to H6, and H1 is the largest, not the smallest. So it is false. Then we have come to the end or the last question of this session, which is question number 50. The SRC is the mandatory attribute with IMG. That means if I use IMG tag, I must write SRC, or I must write SRC attribute. It is true because the URL of the image is given as the value of the SRC attribute. So SRC attribute is a mandatory, or it is a must use attribute with IMG tag. So that concludes our question answer session. Okay, hope you have liked it. Okay, if you have liked it, give it a thumbs up. Okay, write your comments about this live session so that I can improve. Okay, hope you'll be reading all these questions. Okay, this stream will be available. Okay, you can see it later on also. So till next stream, sayonara from your teacher. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you have liked the video or the stream. Leave your comment. I'll appreciate it. Please share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet.